In this video, we're exploring the rich, scenic beauties of the Tamil Nadu and Kerala state border. God can do that. There is no limit for God.
Never break, always fight.
If you're new to this channel, we go on motor camping and outdoor adventure videos. So make sure you subscribe for more content like this.
Never quit, do it right. Play the game, win it life. Have no shame, there's no time. Feel the pain, live the grind. I could change, in my mind. Pick a lane, commit and climb. The only way to win it life. I never
Guys, this is so good.
put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag. Cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time.
Guys, give us a like so that we can know that you're liking this video. We have a lot of wild adventure videos coming up. Thank you.
இப்போ போனால் அங்கே ரூமு கிடைக்கும். நீ
சீக்கிரமா போகணும்.
ஹில்ஸ் ஏரியா, டேஞ்சரஸ் ஏரியா.
ஓகே.
அப்படி இங்கே ஒரு 10 கிலோமீட்டர் மொத்தம் ஹில்ஸ் ஏரியா. അതിനാണ് പ്രോബ്ലം. ഇங்கே തങ്ങണമെന്നാ നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ? இப்போ நீங்கள் கிளம்புறியா?
ஆமாம்.
இது காலையில் இங்கே ஸ்டே பண்ணுங்க. டேஞ்சரு ரூமு விடிகாலையில் 6 மணிக்கு போகுது. அப்போ எல்லாம் கரெக்டாக இருக்கும்.
ஓகே. போகிறேன் யாரையும் எதிர்பார்த்தா போய் இந்த கடைக்கு போய் கடையில் போய் அதே கொஞ்சம். You see that there, guys? That is the most wonderful, most serious, sentimental thing that can ever happen to humanity. In my eyes, that is one of the most beautiful things about God. He can actually come down to earth as a human, win every sin there is, and live a perfect life. Be an example for his children. God can do that. There is no limit for God. God's will. That makes God so beautiful. This is serious to me. At the moment I saw this, that seriously gave me goosebumps. That's beautiful. Okay, guys. Cheta just gave us a huge warning about the wild animals. After 7 o'clock here, everybody goes silent. The whole entire place, the road is going empty. They're closing down all the shops, even chai shops. They stay open even until midnight most cases all around India. But here they're closing down by 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. in the evening because of the wild animals, even elephant crossings. He just told us that you guys are going at your own risk. So let's just let's go check it out. If the forest is closed, we will return to this exact same spot where this statue is. Okay, guys, let's go. Let's see what happens. Hey guys, so it's a place to stay. This comes with Wi-Fi. It's the only thing that comes with Wi-Fi. I got a lot of things to catch up tonight. I'm gonna organize all my video storage and such. I gotta pray. Most important thing. See you tomorrow. Yo guys, look at this beautiful room here. Look at me. I look dark, don't I? Okay. This room is so beautiful, so bright, so yellow. I hope this camera captures well. This is so cheap actually. It only cost me around like 2,500 rupees, somewhere around $30 for international reference. You should check out this restroom. You can work on your marksmanship there. Okay. Look at this. They give their own food for this money and then they save their own everything. They have room service. They have swimming pool. Let me show you guys the swimming pool. But before that, there's a bathroom tour. I don't like bathroom tours, but you gotta check this place out. Rainland Adropal, like they have their own brand. Let me show you the swimming pool what you get for this money. So you can use that. I never stayed at this such a beautiful place, and look at this good looking guy. Hello, good looking. It's the best I look because of the lighting. I'm gonna organize my videos guys from my DSLR camera, from the X3, and from that drone over there is getting charged right now into this good looking guy over here. He's got terabyte of storage. Right on to the swimming pool. Oh my god, who is with me? Into the swimming pool. After the swimming pool we go guys. Guys, the time now is 6 a.m. We are open. We have been letting. So the sun is almost up. Let's try if we can. Let's see if we can try some sunrise shots. So I think this is the ticket counter. This place opens at 8. Check this out guys. This is the morning view. So I'm going to the top terrace. Alright, look at that mountain view. Do you guys hear the sound? You guys just listen to this beautiful sound, relaxing sound for a moment.